Hey everyone!
Hello, boys and girls.
Hi, everybody!
Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza!
I'm Chica. Let's eat.
I'm your best friend, Bonnie Bunny here.
And everyone knows me, Freddy Fazbear!
Is everybody having a good time? Because I sure know that I am.
I could use some more, help me, more pizza.
There's plenty of delicious people, delicious pizza when you're at Freddy's Pizza, Chica.
You can't live off pizza all the time, Freddy.
You can't?
When you're eating, kids, remember to have plenty of kids. Green, plenty of green vegetables, kids.
And all you young bunnies need to have your carrots. Please run.
Health is important if you want to live. Have a fun and happy time at
Freddy Fazbear's
Pizza.
Hey, Chica.
Yeah, Bonnie?
You know what I do to have fun?
Is it the games?
Nope.
Is it the Don't let them escape Pirates Cove?
Not even close.
Well, what is it, Bonnie?
I like to sing.
Why didn't you say so? Let's rock out the band.
1, 2, 1,
2,
3.
4.